Hello guys, they make betray all but you see, all but you hear. Not by me. They make it betray all what you hear in this room, what you feel. I am in silence, I have nothing. This is not my feelings in these speakings. They enchant you with believing against two feelings with I speak only and they make voices and sound beam speakings in this voice who I speaks. This is not me. This is not me. I make nothing. These moving feelings are not me. I have no feelings. They make to me this room. They make movings, and I feel I can detect. I can detect only what they make. What they make right now. What betrays they make, and I must say this to the records, to the videos. I make nothing. They make betray with sound controllers, with YouTube guys, YouTube humans. They make YouTube humans, animals. They make betray by them with sound makers, or they make this blast to these humans and force them to speak things. Not by me. I don't speak. Never. Even if they make it, I block. I don't speak.